Hey, today I want to answer a common question I get from clients and prospective clients. Do I need 2 resumes? As a resume writer and career coach, this is a question I see a lot from clients who may be looking at different job postings out there and wondering if one resume can meet all the requirements. And unfortunately, it's one of those questions where the answer is, it depends. So if this is a question you're struggling with, here's 3 questions you should ask yourself to figure out whether you do in fact need 2 resumes. Question number 1, are you applying for jobs in 2 different fields? If the answer is yes, it's likely you'll need 2 resumes. The reason is simple enough. Jobs in 2 different fields will likely have different responsibilities and qualifications. The most important thing you need to know is that your resume needs to demonstrate that you are a match for the requirements of the role. Here's an example. Let's say you're a project manager, but you also have a lot of training experience, so you want to apply for both project management and training positions. Now ask yourself, does a trainer position and a project manager position have the same responsibilities, qualifications, skills, etc.? The answer is no. So what you'll need in that situation are 2 different resumes describing your experience in 2 different ways. Second question to ask yourself, for the roles that you want to apply for, are the requirements always the same? So what this means is you need to take a look at your resume's content and make sure that it matches with the types of jobs that you want to apply for. This is so hiring professionals recognize that you're a fit for the role immediately, and also so that applicant tracking software will recognize your resume as relevant. Sometimes jobs within a specific field or industry might actually have very different requirements. And in those cases, you might need 2 resumes. Here's an example. So marketing positions are really good to look at. They can have different job titles and different requirements. So just taking a quick look out there, I can see roles like marketing copywriter. This role focuses on writing creative marketing copy and content for a variety of sources. Marketing pay-per-click specialist. This one specializes in managing paid digital advertising campaigns. And then marketing social media coordinator. Oversees marketing campaigns across multiple social media channels. So although these positions are all marketing, the roles focus on different aspects of marketing. So one looks at content creation, one's looking at paid ads, and one's looking at social media. So as a result, the qualifications, skill sets, and responsibilities of each role could be quite different. So say if you want to apply for 2 of these roles, you might need 2 resumes. Question number 3. If the job postings you want to apply for are different, how different are they? So this is where it gets interesting. So here's what you need to figure out. If you notice the job descriptions are different, how different are they? So are we looking at essentially 2 different jobs here? Or are we looking at jobs that are slightly different? If these jobs are slightly different, you're probably not going to need an entirely new second version of your resume for a different job type. So unfortunately, although I'd love to just answer this question for you, I can't. You're going to need to do a bit of research here. So here's what you need to look into. Compare the job responsibilities between postings. So if approximately 75% of the content is similar, then you can likely edit and tweak the resume. Another thing to ask yourself, take a look at the keywords popping up throughout the descriptions. So maybe one description's talking a lot about project management related words, while another's looking at customer success and customer relations focused words. If that's the case, you might need to tweak your resume's keywords so that your resume fits. Interested in learning more? I actually have a free resume checkup course that shares the strategies I use as a professional resume writer. And this course can actually help you determine, do you need 2 resumes or can you just tweak your current resume? So if you want to learn more, check it out. Link is in the description below. Thanks so much. Bye.